and welcome back to Yara's Reading Time. Before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Well, if you give it a thumbs down, it would be the same size. Just do not. Today, we're going to be reading the Mommy book. And if you've done all that stuff, subscribe, turn the notifications, and give this video a huge thumbs up. Then we can get started. Today we're reading the Mommy book. Some mommies drive motorcycles. Some mommies like to dress up. Some mommies teach you to play sports. Some mommies like to dance. All mommies love you. Some mommies drive minivans. Some mommies drive motorcycles. Some mommies wear jeans. Some mommies dress up. And also there was a page on the back that I forgot to tell you. This is that you should read before you read the story. Some mommies teach you to play sports. Some mommies like to dress up. And some mommies ride motorcycles. Open this book to read about all kinds of cool mommies. Some mommies make snow angels with you. Some mommies play in the rain with you. I like rainy days, snowy days, sunny days, any days. All mommies like to hang out with you. Get it? Hang out. Some mommies like to dance. Some mommies like to swim. I'm in swimming classes. And I love to dance. Some mommies work at home. Some mommies work in the big buildings. Sorry about all the scribbles. This is from the library and other people borrow it. Some mommies teach you how to paint. Some mamas teach you to play sports. I know the sport soccer that she's playing right now, and I know basketball. I'm not too good at tennis yet, but I am good. And I love to paint. Like that is 100% sure, like 100%. All mommies like to watch you sleep. Like you. And all mommies love you. Some mommies have short hair. Some mommies have big hair. You can see this is big hair. This is what they call big hair. This is what they call short hair. Some mommies like to cook. Some mommies like to order pizza. Seriously? Well, not all the time they order pizza because that's not too healthy. But cooking, they can cook anything. It can be healthy, not healthy, anything you like. Some mommies go fishing. Some mommies go shopping. Me and my mom would go shopping at the mall a lot, but I don't go fishing much. Well, I never went fishing actually. And all mommies love to kiss and hug you. XO, like kiss, like so. Some mommies planes, but my uncle does. And I fly kites. Once it was really fun. Some mommies is sing you songs. Some mommies is read you stories. My mom used to read me stories, and well, I like to sing, and my mom likes to sing too.